Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube. Chanel Today Design is a gradient letter logo design, so please subscribe Chanel and let's get First I open my Illustrator. I take size, and you can take your size, and open my art file, and this opacity to be less than. Now I select a circle shape. Then I hit copy, and it's some twacked. Again, double copy. Again, select a circle shape. Select a rectangle. And before layer can be again, come here. And I extra side for remove. Then again, I take a circle. Then it copy. Then I do same before work. And it is many copy. Now I different for select. And extra side for remove. Then I color selection. Okay, it is perfect. Then art file layer delete. Now I select a text. Dream space. Now I select a circle shape. And it needs some twacked. It's okay. Okay, thanks for watching this video and subscribe my channel.